Community Relations Committee approved this year's winner, Victoria Webb. I hope all of you know Victoria because you have encountered her when you provided pro bono services through Nashville Pro Bono. Victoria is currently the Pro Bono Clinic Coordinator. This year's Law Day theme of no courts, no justice, no freedom is especially appropriate when the name Victoria Webb comes to mind. Victoria lives that theme every day as she works to provide access to the courts to the clients of the Nashville Bar Pro Bono program. Victoria has been a constant advocate for the legal rights of the indigent. Working on the front lines for more than 25 years, she exemplifies the best tradition of the Liberty Bell Award. Victoria began with the Nashville Bar Association Pro Bono program back in July of 1986 when it was located in the Stallman building. She has held several roles there. Not too long after she started working there, the program had 350 volunteers, and now there are almost 1,500 attorneys signed up to take cases on a volunteer basis. That in itself is a huge credit to Victoria's ceaseless work. Among her many accomplishments for the program, Victoria has placed countless cases with pro bono attorneys. She has created, organized, and coordinated the Saturday Bar Legal Advice Clinic, the first clinic of the Nashville Bar Pro Bono program. She has created and coordinated the Nashville Bar Association's Attorney for the Day program from its inception in 1993. She instituted a volunteer program recruiting law student volunteers through Vanderbilt Law School's Legal Aid Society and created clinic opportunities for Nashville School of Law student volunteers. She provided resources to countless attorneys to assist them in representing indigent clients with legal issues that often are unfamiliar to the typical pro bono attorney. And she's coordinated the vast majority of the legal clinics conducted by the Nashville Bar Pro Bono program. For example, in 2011 alone, Victoria coordinated, organized, and recruited lawyers for over 50 legal advice clinics, which served well over 1,000 clients. These legal clinics were on a variety of topics, including day clinics, clinics for senior citizens, and legal clinics for Spanish-speaking peoples. The program's legal advice clinics generate about 60% of the program's cases. Victoria says the clinics are a great way for attorneys to get an introduction to pro bono work and provide a valuable and innovative service to the Nashville community. Victoria has also coordinated, organized, and recruited attorneys to assist indigent people with driver's license issues. Although she is not an attorney, Victoria has been untiring in promoting a better understanding of the rule of law and has encouraged a greater respect for law in the courts, as well as stimulating a sense of civic responsibility among the public and the bar. In addition to her duties at pro bono, she has been a member of 2 Nashville Bar committees to make herself more effective as an advocate for the pro bono clients. She's written articles for the Nashville Bar Journal about the pro bono program and has served on the editorial staff of the journal as well. As a staff member, she contributes to the Legal Aid and Pro Bono campaign every year. Since 1988, she has been a member of the National Association of Pro Bono Professionals, and since 2006, she's been a member of their board, and she currently serves as a secretary to the board. She pays her own dues to that organization and pays her own travel expenses to get to their annual meetings. In order to be more effective in recruiting paralegals to assist in pro bono work, Victoria has been a member of the Tennessee Paralegal Association, again paying her own dues and taking her own time to be active in that group. She has spoken about pro bono work to the group's luncheon meetings and will be their featured guest speaker at their next membership reception. And in her spare time, and I'm not sure how much spare time Victoria has, she is a volunteer with the Nashville Peace and Justice Center. Victoria Webb has spent her entire adult life helping others. Before she came to the Nashville Bar Pro Bono program, she already had exhibited her dedication to the principles that are emblematic of the Liberty Bell Award. After obtaining her degree in journalism from the University of Georgia, she became a VISTA volunteer. For those of you who don't know, VISTA is a national service program dedicated to fighting poverty. As a VISTA volunteer, Victoria became the program director for the Social Action Group on Aging, which advocated for the elderly and people in nursing homes. Through her VISTA work and volunteer work for the Southern Coalition on Jails and Prisons, Victoria says she became familiar with lawyers and what they could do to change people's lives for the better. That is part of why she says working for the Nashville Bar Pro Bono program has been a perfect fit for her. Across from her desk on the wall, Victoria displays this quote: "People accept the rule of law only when they believe that law is available to them." She says that she tries to think of this maxim in everything she does in her job. Victoria Webb has been extraordinarily dedicated, steadfast, loyal, and energetic to the cause of access to justice through pro bono, and is deserving of recognition by receiving the Liberty Bell Award. On behalf of the NBA, I am honored to present this award.